Hi everyone, my name is Ksenia and I'm going to tell you the short history of what people knew about the universe. So since ancient times, we people have been looking at the sky, trying to find the answers, what our places on Earth is, what our purpose is. Still, we don't have those answers. However, our beliefs and our views on our planet has changed dramatically. In the beginning of the 1st century, people considered Earth being flat, and the sky was above it and the ocean was below it. The sun and the moon and the stars revolve around it. One of the famous myths says that our flat Earth is situated on the backs of giant elephants that are standing on the great cosmic total, and this total is floating through the endless space. So this was at the beginning of the 1st century. But with the development of technologies and with development of the science, especially astronomy, people were able to invent some simple telescopes and see the sky, and they noticed that not all the stars are really stars. So they call them planets. And since at those times, at those ancient times, Roman Empire and also Greek Empire were the centers of knowledge, they gave to these planets the names of their pantheon of gods. If we take a look at our solar system, we'll see the first planet is Mercury. Then goes Venus. After that, our native planet Earth. Then we meet Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. However, at that time, people thought that not the sun, but the Earth was the center of our system. They believed that every planet and every star revolved or went round the Earth, and all the system was static, so it wasn't moving at all. Thanks to Copernicus and his followers, we people now know that actually the sun is the center of our solar system, and only the moon goes round the Earth, and the moon is our natural satellite. Right, so apart from the planets, people also tried to define the stars, so they united them into constellations, and during the night we can see some of them. For example, we can see the Great Bear, or how astronomers called this constellation, it's Ursa Major. One more constellation that is also visible in the night sky, it's Orion constellation. Nowadays, we not only know all these facts, but we also have proofs of these facts. We know that thanks to the videos and photos from the space, thanks to spaceships and satellites, space stations and astronauts and great giant telescopes. So if summing up, we can say that our planet Earth is rather small planet. It goes around the sun, so do the other planets. We've got only one natural satellite, it's the Moon. Some other planets in our solar system also have got the natural satellites. Some of them haven't got them. And our solar system, including the Sun, which also the stars as every other star in the night sky, is only a part of something bigger, something that is called galaxy. And by the way, if you don't know, our galaxy is called the Milky Way. So our Milky Way galaxy is only one of the billion galaxies in the universe, which is endless according to the scientists, and also according to the scientists it's keep extending and extending constantly. So on the 12th of April we are going to celebrate the 55th anniversary of the first human flight into space. So this first astronaut was Mr. Yuri Gagarin, who was Russian by the way, from the former Soviet Union. He spent only 1 hour and 48 minutes in the space. However, this was a great breakthrough for the whole mankind. So now, the further men or people go and see into space, the more they realize how little they know about it. And there's always a possibility that all that we know now about our universe, about our environment, can be total and absolute mistake. So there's always something new to learn. Thank you very much for your attention. This was Ksenia Matusevich, especially for Foreign Language Center Dialogue. Thank you, goodbye.